else to add that you need to add?
I'm not gonna add anything to this slime because this slime
This slime
really
is
special.
perfect how it is. I mean, like, oh my gosh, look at my hands.
It's not the fluffiest slime, honestly.
Is this fluffy slime?
It used to be fluffy slime, but if you add
It's so fluffy.
well, it's not fluffy because if you add lotion into fluffy slime, it makes it not very fluffy. So if you want really fluffy slime, I would recommend not adding any lotion. But if you don't care and you just want it very stretchy, then it's fine. You can just not add any in it.
Okay, so guys, I want to show you something very cool. So here's one trick.
We're gonna do a transition. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, just don't do a transition.
Okay, I can't do a transition. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so let's put this back
It's
in.
just stupid.
And we're gonna do swirlies.
So we're doing a reacting video, and I'm gonna show.
Oh, we should do a reaction video right now of this.
Okay, let's do it. Ready, set.